Astronomers in Australia have announced the discovery of a pulsating radio source in the galaxy, unlike anything seen before. The object, which lies relatively nearby at a distance of just 4,000 light-years, was giving off huge bursts of energy, each lasting for about a minute every 18 minutes. The discovery was made by a student, Tyrone O'Doherty, from Curtin University at Perth, Western Australia. He's a member of a team led by astrophysicist Natasha Hurley-Walker, which is using an instrument called the Murchison Wide Field Array to search for new radio sources. Observations of the mysterious object over a period of several hours in March 2018 have revealed it to be one of the brightest radio sources in the sky. What's more, the radio emission came from an object smaller than the Sun and was highly polarized, suggesting the presence of a very powerful magnetic field. Objects that turn on and off in the universe are nothing new to astronomers. They're known as transients, and there are two main types. Slow transients, such as supernovae, can appear over the course of a few days and then gradually fade over a period of weeks or months. Fast transients, on the other hand, which include pulsars, a type of neutron star, flash on and off within seconds or milliseconds. But it's very unusual to come across a transient that turns on for about a minute, like this new one does. So what might it be? Because of its small size and intense magnetic field, the finger of suspicion points at either some type of neutron star or white dwarf. Perhaps the best bet at this point is that it's an object that theorists have predicted, called an ultra-long period magnetar. A magnetar is an exotic type of neutron star, the defining feature being an extraordinarily powerful magnetic field about 1,000 times stronger than that of a normal neutron star and about 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. An ultra-long period magnetar would also be unusual because of its relatively slow rate of spin. So perhaps that's what the newfound object is. But it's surprisingly bright if that's the case. Somehow it's converting magnetic energy to radio waves much more effectively than anything we've seen before. The team behind the discovery will monitor the object now to see if it switches back on. If it does, there are plenty of instruments both on the ground in the southern hemisphere and in orbit that can be trained upon it. Astronomers will also be on the lookout for other similar sources in the sky. That way we'll be able to learn whether this was a rare one-off event or just the first to be uncovered of a large, previously unknown population.